Today I came to work early, so for the first time I'm filming this at my office. I thought I could try without any script and just say anything, but any particular topic came to my mind, and besides I have to stop a lot while I'm talking, even with my script, Korean script. But if I don't have any script, I would stop more often. So if I would do that way, the video would be terrible. So I just decided to write a simple script, because speaking with Korean script is also a good way, right? So now it's 7:25 and I left home before 7 and I walked about 30 minutes. It took about 30 minutes to get to work. For the first few weeks, I came to work. I drove to work, but since I didn't get any exercise, I decided to use the commuting time as a workout. It's gonna be hard to walk in the summer, but until now the weather is so cool and it's the perfect weather to walk. So I wear my earphones and listen to any English material while I'm walking. And these days I also study in the early morning with a live session turning on. I used to study in the early morning before too, but back then I didn't turn on the live streaming, so I often got distracted, and I used my phone to search, do web surfing or watching YouTube videos that is meaningless and useless. But with my cell phone setting as a camera, I couldn't use my phone. So these days I really focus on the studying time in the early morning. So I'm very satisfied. So I hope you guys to study hard with me together, and have a great day. Bye.